Welcome everyone. I heartily welcome you to Math Simplified by HM. We are diving back into our geometry series today to prove that equal chords in a circle are always the same distance from the center. Please like, share this with your well-wishers and subscribe for more. Grab your notebook, feel free to pause whenever you need, and let us jump right in. The theorem congruent to chord of a circle are always equidistant from the center. Given in circle with center O, chord AB is congruent to chord CD and OP is perpendicular to AB and OQ is perpendicular to CD. What we have to prove? We must demonstrate that the distance from the center to each chord is exactly the same. That means OP is equal to OQ. Construction. To bridge the gap, we create two triangles by joining seg OA and seg OD. Now step 1, AP is equal to half of AB and DQ is equal to half of CD. Why? The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisect the chord, and we have proved this theorem. Steps 2, AB is equal to CD given. Therefore, AP is equal to DQ, segments of equal lengths. Now step 3, in right angled triangle APO and DQO, segment AP is congruent to segment DQ, proved in step 2. Hypotenuse OA is congruent to hypotenuse OD, radii of the same circle. Conclusion, triangle APO is congruent to triangle DQO. Hypotenuse-Side theorem test. Therefore, seg OP is congruent to seg OQ, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Therefore, OP is equal to OQ. Congruent chords in a circle are equidistant from the center, and that completes our proof. It's amazing to see how triangle APO and triangle DQO come together through the hypotenuse-side theorem to prove that OP and OQ are equal. Since AP and DQ are just equal halves of our original chords, the math leads us straight to the finish line. Congruent chords are indeed equidistant from the center. Thanks all. I want to leave you with final thought. Equality in effort leads to equity in results. Stay consistent just like the distance of equal chords from the center. Thank you for your incredible focus. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Enjoy the great time ahead and see you next time.